Most buyers start their search on the wrong platform with no criteria and no system. They browse, they get overwhelmed, they wait for the perfect deal that never comes. In this episode, the 3 channels we use at Aquera to surface real deals. The buy box that filters noise fast, and the pipeline habit that separates buyers who close from buyers who browse. Let's get into it. Finding a business to buy is not about finding the perfect listing. It is about building a system that surfaces good deals consistently. Here's what we are covering today: on-market platforms and how to use them properly, off-market channels most buyers completely overlook, and how to build a buy box that filters 80% of bad deals automatically. By the end, you will know exactly where to start this week. Start with the 2 biggest on-market platforms, BizBuySell and BizQuest. Together, they list tens of thousands of businesses at any given time. Here is how to use them correctly. Set your revenue range first. Look for $300,000 to $3 million in annual revenue. Filter by industry using the category options available on each platform. Set geography to your target metro or state radius. Now here's the move most buyers miss. Sort by days on market, not by asking price. Listings over 180 days often signal a motivated seller. That is where you start your conversations. Supplement with LoopNet for real estate attached businesses and Flippa for digital acquisitions. On-market listings are visible to every buyer. Off-market deals have less competition and often better terms. 3 sources we teach every Aquera member. First, broker relationships. Build a list of 10 to 15 business brokers in your target market. Call them monthly. Share your buy box clearly. Brokers bring unlisted deals to buyers they trust first. Second, direct outreach. Identify businesses you would want to own. Send a short professional letter to the owner. Many owners have thought about selling but have never listed. Third, referral networks. Attorneys, CPAs, and commercial lenders often know who is thinking about exiting before anyone posts a listing. Build those relationships early. Your buy box is your written acquisition criteria. Without it, you will spend months looking at the wrong deals. Here is what a strong buy box includes. Revenue range, $300,000 to $3 million. Seller discretionary earnings, minimum $100,000 per year. Industry, 2 to 3 sectors you understand or can quickly learn. Geography, a market you can manage in person or oversee remotely. Owner transition, sellers who are willing to train during the handoff period. And deal structure, businesses with 3 years of clean financials that qualify for SBA financing. Write these criteria down before you contact a single broker. A clear, specific buy box gets you taken seriously. It also filters out 80% of listings automatically. Once deal flow starts coming in, you need a system to manage it. Use a simple spreadsheet or CRM. Track every deal you review with these fields: business name, source, revenue, seller discretionary earnings, asking price, multiple, status, next action. Set a goal for your first 60 days. Evaluate at least 20 businesses. Most will not fit your criteria. That is completely normal. The goal is deal velocity, not perfection. The more deals you review, the sharper your pattern recognition becomes, and that pattern recognition is the real competitive advantage that separates buyers who close from buyers who keep looking. Knowing when to stop is just as valuable as knowing where to look. 5 red flags that tell you to pass fast. Asking price is more than 4 times seller discretionary earnings. Revenue declining 2 or more consecutive years. The owner cannot provide 3 years of clean financial statements. 1 customer is more than 30% of total revenue, and the seller is unwilling to provide any training during transition. None of these are automatic deal killers on their own, but each one needs a clear explanation from the broker. If they cannot provide one, move on. Protect your time. The right deal will not have 5 flags. Finding deals is step 1. Evaluating them, structuring them, and financing them correctly is where the real work happens. If you want the complete system, download our free resources at aquera.com/resources. That includes our buy box template, our SBA loan calculator, and our due diligence checklist. And if you are ready to work with a team that has helped hundreds of buyers go from search to closed deal, apply to the Acquira Accelerator at acquira.com/accelerator. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.